Hi there. The way that you can add a slicer is you need to go to the visualizations pane and you go to build visual area and then you choose slicer, which is the fifth one down here, slicer. You can click on it, drag and drop. So I get a slicer. Fantastic. So now I'm going to pull in the date column into the slicer. And as you can see, it has got a slider with the continuous dates. And if you look at the arrow on the right hand corner, it says select the type of slicer. So if you click on it and select the type of slicer, you got different options like between, before, after, list. If I choose list, I get all the dates. If I choose a drop down, I can pick up a date. I can do multiple selections of dates. So if I go to the format visual pane, I can play around with the settings. If I look at the slicer settings here, and I can either do a multiple select setting where I can select many values, or I can switch it off and do a single select where I could select only a single value slicer, right? So in this case, I think what the best bet is to actually use a between slider where I can slide and determine the period of sales. As you can see, the trend chart modifies according to the period of date range I've selected in. Similarly, I can play around with the values. I can change the font color of the values to blue. I can change the background. Blue, for instance, as you can see, the background of the text boxes has changed. I can put it back white. I can even change the header text, switched on at the moment, so I can give it a name saying that date period. And I can also switch off the header if I don't want it, I can switch on the header back again. I can give it a color for the border. So I can give it a purple color for the text, and I can give background color for the header, blue color. So you see, again, the purple and blue doesn't go very well, as you can see. So white is probably better. So give like a white color. Here we go. Looks quite nice. I can also change the slicer to different what are called as orientation.